Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from your Sam's Club membership. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove someone. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Sam's Club membership. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Then on this page here, scroll down and then click on Manage Memberships. Next, click on Complimentary Membership and then find the individual which you want to go ahead and remove over here. So click on Remove, then follow the on-screen prompts, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove someone from your Sam's Club membership. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.